The first attempt in Britain to treat patients with heart failure through gene therapy is to be trialled at London's Royal Brompton Hospital. Patients with a potentially fatal condition will be part of the study. Doctors will use a genetically modified virus to try and reprogram damaged heart muscles. If successful, it could transform the lives of hundreds of thousands of heart patients. Chris Rogers reports.
Is significant impairment with paralysis due to...
Doctors examine a scan of one of 750,000 damaged hearts in Britain. Severe chronic heart failure is caused by the after effects of heart attacks, inherited conditions, or in some cases, treatment for cancer. Trevor Fernandez has suffered 2 heart attacks.
Things that one would normally take for granted, like lifting, carrying and just walking, becomes difficult.
OK, I'll just check your neck, please.
Scientists have discovered a therapy that can practically fix hearts like Trevor's. After 20 years of painstaking research at the British Heart Foundation's lab at Imperial College, there's been a breakthrough. Clinical trials have been given the go-ahead at the Royal Brompton. The process, which will be tested on 100 patients, involves deliberately exposing the heart to a virus, carrying a synthetic copy of a human gene. The virus is harmless. It's been genetically engineered to carry the extra gene called SERCA2A, which is responsible for a protein that stimulates contraction of heart muscle cells. The virus is inserted through a vein in the leg, and it acts as a kind of Trojan horse as it reaches and then infects cardiac cells. Now, once inside, the gene becomes activated, and that makes a protein which is crucial to the normal beating of a heart, reducing the risk of death and the need for heart transplants.
Really, the difference with this modern strategy is to target the muscle itself and try and repair the patient's own heart and make it better, stronger, and hopefully that will then have an impact on their quality of life, less emergencies into hospital with breathing trouble, and hopefully living longer.
Doctors say it's the biggest hope yet in the fight against heart disease.
This is a game changer for me. This is a huge relief. It's difficult to put into words, but it is a feeling of euphoria, and more to the point, it actually gives you hope for the future.
If all goes well, a larger scale trial will be needed. It could be a decade before this treatment is available for all damaged hearts. Chris Rogers, BBC London News, Royal Brompton.